volume definition, volume in a sentence, volume pronunciation, volume meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of volume. Volume. Vol-ume. Volume. Volume as a noun means an amount of space that something occupies, or a book forming a part of a series, or the loudness of a sound. Common usages in academic writing: the first volume of a series, a greater volume, an increased volume, a lesser volume, turn up the volume. Example sentences. Volume, noun. Shaw's biography was released in 3 volumes. Example sentence number 2. The stocks were liquidated at a greater volume in 1 hour than had ever been over the past 5 years in total. Example sentence number 3. The volume of the music exceeded the 80 decibel regulation. Please write a sentence using volume in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of volume, the meaning of volume, and volume example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.